রেনেসা ট্রেনিং সেন্টার এসএসসি 2026 এর একজন স্টুডেন্টের সাথে আজকে আমরা আছি। আজকে আমরা ওর ছোট্ট একটা ইংলিশ স্পোকেন টেস্ট নিব আইএলটিএস এর মক টেস্টের অনুসরণে। দেখা যাক সে কেমন পারফর্ম করে। This is the International English Language Testing System speaking test conducted on Wednesday, 8th of July 2026, center number 54507, candidate name Farhan Firdaus Rami, candidate number 600593. Examiner name Samushaharia Mufti, examiner number 409255. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you tell me your full name, please?
Farhan Firdaus Ramim.
Okay, and what should I call you?
You can call me Ramim.
Okay, Ramim, where are you from?
I am from Jinaida Moshko.
Okay. So in this first part, Ramim, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself. What was your day?
My day is day 7.
Day 7. Okay. Do you have many friends?
Yes, I have many friends, but few friends are very close. Few friends are very close because I believe in quality over quantity. I like friends who give me more time. Then we can spend many times together that makes me happy, relax, etc.
Okay. How do you meet your best friend? How did you meet?
Okay, so when I was in my childhood, I was in a school. I first meet him in there. We first talk to a school project which is involved in our class. So over time we pass time and we get very close.
Okay. What qualities do you look for in a friend?
Especially I look for like honesty,
Sincerity.
like this honesty and moreover trustful.
Okay. So that was the end of part 1 for Ramim, and now we're going to move on to part 2.
Okay.
So Ramim, I'm going to give you a topic and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Before you talk, you'll have 1 minute to think about what you're going to say. You can make some notes if you wish. Do you understand? Okay, so here's a piece of paper and pen for you, and the topic you're going to talk about is describe a good friend of yours. Okay? Your time starts now. Remember, you have 1 to 2 minutes for this, so don't worry if I stop you in the middle. I'll tell you when the time is up, okay? Can you please start your speaking now?
I have a good friend, especially I called him my best friend. His name is Ilham. She supported me a lot. We shared feelings together. He is so kind. Also, we spend a lot of time together, so we have a very good understanding together. He supports me in my bad times. Also, he advised me for my future life, what should I do, and I support him also. Rather, we also spend like funny times. That's all.
Okay, so that was the end of our part 2. So now let's move on, shall we? In this last part, at part 3, I'm going to ask you some general questions, okay? How has social media affected the way people make and maintain friendships?
I think it affects a lot because it's cover our distance level, which is very important in our communication. Because in friendship we should talking is so important in friends. We should spend a lot of times with our friends. That makes us relax and they supports us when we are sad or in a bad situation. They helps us. Social media is like we can talk with them like video call, messages and audio calls. So I think social media is much better for our communication.
Okay, so the last question of the session is it possible to have a close friendship with someone you have never met in person?
Yes, definitely. I actually think it's possible because if I spend a lot of time with our friends in online, regular we can talk, then we can make a good conversation with that person, and we can share our similar things. Then it makes us free. That's
Okay, so that was the end of this speaking session. So thank you so much for giving the time here.